Are you looking for the best pellet smokers in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best pellet smokers that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Cuisinart Portable Wood Pellet Grill and Smoker. Whether you're camping, tailgating, or simply prefer a compact wood pellet grill because you don't have a lot of storage space, you'll love the Cuisinart CPG 256 Portable Wood Pellet Grill and Smoker. You can trust Cuisinart to prove that a smaller size doesn't necessarily mean fewer features. With the capability to smoke, barbecue, bake, roast, grill, braise, sear, and char grill, this 45-pound grill is one of the most versatile options on the market. So you can cook whatever you're craving, no matter where you are. It is heavy, but we are willing to overlook that thanks to all its features that are great for on the go. The locking lid and carrying handle make this grill incredibly convenient to use. The auto start ignition means you'll never be fumbling to get the grill lit, while a real-time temperature display and digital auto temperature control lets you know exactly what's happening inside the hood. With a 4-pound hopper capacity, that's covered with a snap-shut lid to boot, you'll be able to grill up your favorites on the go. Moving on at number 4. We have the Pit Boss 1150G Wood Pellet Grill. With a whopping 1,158 square inches of grilling space, the Pit Boss 1150G Wood Pellet Grill is ideal for entertaining. Whether your friends or family enjoy eating carne asada, baby back ribs, or freshly caught walleye, there is more than ample space to cook everyone's favorite foods. With porcelain-coated cast iron cooking grids and a digital control board, everything will come out as delicious as possible. Looking for convenience? This grill most certainly has it. There are included stainless steel meat probes so you know when your food is done cooking. The front folding shelf gives you extra space for platters of cooked or uncooked food. Better yet, built-in tool hooks mean you don't need to interrupt your cooking or conversation to grab that extra set of tongs. It even comes with a cover, so you won't need to purchase a separate one, or store the appliance indoors when not in use. Some reviewers do mention that the built-in thermometer can be inaccurate, so it's wise to have a separate one. At number 3, we have the ZGrills 450A Wood Pellet Grill and Smoker. For those who want a pellet grill to create delicious smoked foods but don't have deep pockets, the ZGrills ZPG 450A Wood Pellet Grill is a budget-friendly option. It has a modest temperature range of 180 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and during our at-home testing, we found that this pellet smoker shines when it comes to smoking pork at a low temperature, yielding an absolutely delicious, flavorful meat. With 450 square inches of cooking space, this pellet grill is a great size for families and fits nicely into a humble outdoor cooking area. It can hold up to 15 pounds of wood pellets at a time, and we like that it comes with a cover, which is essential for protecting the hopper from the elements when left outside. The grill did take quite a while to heat up, sometimes as long as 20 minutes, but it managed to maintain consistent heat within 15 degrees of its set temperature, even in windy conditions. And while it did grill up delectable burgers and steaks, it doesn't get quite hot enough to get a good sear. At number 2, we have the Weber SmokeFire EX4 Pellet Grill. For a high-performing pellet smoker with all the bells and whistles, this Weber model is a top contender. It has a temperature range of 200 to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, making it ideal for grilling as well as smoking, and it's equipped with Weber Connect technology, which allowed us to monitor the grill temperature, recipe progress, and temperature probes from a distance in both our at-home and lab testing. With close to 700 square inches of cooking space, the Weber pellet grill has plenty of room for large cuts of meat or a ton of burgers, and we thought it was easy to start and convenient to operate, as the 2 included probes keep tabs on the doneness of food. The stainless steel flavorizer bars made for extra tasty meats, including nicely charred chicken wings and a crispy edge to pizza. There was one issue from testing: too much ash collected during our long smoke test. The final pork butt was still tasty and delicious, though we did have to take time for a tricky clean out. The 20-pound pellet hopper allows you to cook for long periods of time without needing to refill the pellets, but in the event you want to swap in a different flavor, there's a release door that allows the pellets to drain out of the bottom of the grill. Convenient side handles and a porcelain enameled lid provide convenience and durability, while the locking wheels allow you to slide the smoker around between uses. For a grill with all the added features, look no further than this thoughtfully designed model. And finally, at number 1, we have the Traeger Ironwood grills. If you spend time grilling and smoking every weekend, the high-end Traeger Ironwood 885 is a worthwhile splurge. After long-term testing it, we found that the heavy-duty grill delivered impressively consistent results. While it doesn't come cheap, this pellet grill offers a wide range of convenient features that make it a joy to use, and it's versatile enough to replace all your other outdoor cooking tools. The Ironwood boasts 885 square inches of cooking space across 2 racks, and it can hold up to 20 pounds of wood pellets in its hopper, which has a trapdoor that allows you to easily empty it. Its temperature can be set anywhere between 165 and 500 degrees Fahrenheit, and in both home and lab testing, the grill did an unbeatable job maintaining a consistent temperature for hours, never straying more than 10 degrees from its set temperature, even with the lid open. There were also no hot spots across the grill, which led to a nice golden pizza crust. We did notice some issues when heating up. Our home tester's model would take up 10 to 15 minutes to heat, while our lab's model would heat up quickly and then cool off, preventing us from getting a good sear. Additionally, the super smoke setting didn't seem to produce any extra smoke, but the lab's chicken wings did end up flavorful. Another one of this grill's selling points is its Wi-Fi capabilities, which allowed us to monitor and adjust the grill and its temperature probe from anywhere. The app can even follow a recipe automatically, adjusting the temperature after a set period of time, so you don't have to monitor the smoker all day. How's that for fancy? Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.